Welcome to GeoWing Academy, your premier destination for comprehensive drone-based graphics information system software training. Whether you are a conservationist aiming to monitor ecosystems, a farmer optimizing crop health, a land surveyor mapping new terrains, an engineer designing infrastructure, a mine manager overseeing resource extraction, a UAV business owner expanding on your service offerings, or simply an enthusiast curious about geospatial technologies, GeoWing Academy has something for everyone. The Keystone Courses. GeoWing Academy offers 3 Keystone courses designed to take you from novice to expert in unmanned aerial vehicle operations, photogrammetry, and graphics information system software. The Beginner's Course, an introduction to all things drones. Dive into the fascinating history of drones and explore the broad use cases of drone technology. Understand its development and the pivotal role it plays across various industries today. Getting started. Learn how to properly set up your drone and RGB camera, discover how to automate flight plans for data collection, and understand the nuances of data collection for different applications. Drone Photogrammetry Practical. Gain hands-on experience with a freely supplied dataset. Learn the basics of using open drone map software to process aerial imagery into detailed maps and models. Get practical tips and tricks to enhance your skills. Graphics Information System Software Basics Practical. Use the processed data from the Photogrammetry Practical to learn the fundamentals of QGIS. This module covers the basics of graphics information system software, providing essential tips and tricks for effective data analysis. The Intermediate Course, Enhanced QGIS Techniques. Building on the foundations of the Beginner's Course, delve deeper into QGIS functions. Learn how to use the raster calculators, create cloud health indices, and leverage the processing toolbox for more in-depth analysis. The Advanced Course. Master the art of automating the workflows learned in the beginners and intermediate courses. This course covers advanced automation techniques and provides valuable tips and tricks to streamline your processes. Beyond the Keystone courses, GeoWing Academy offers specialized training on various applications of UAV data. These fun projects not only teach you in-depth processing skills and analytics, but also encourage the creative thought process in the use of drones and GIS applications. For example, disaster management. Learn how to use UAV data for disaster management, specifically for flood analysis and quantification. Estuary monitoring. Understand how to monitor estuaries effectively using UAV data. Dam site analysis. Discover techniques to estimate potential dam site floodplains, wall lengths, positions, and volumes using drone data and photogrammetry outputs. Mine volume measurement. Learn how to measure mine cut and fill volumes accurately using UAV data. This course covers techniques to digitally remove machinery to ensure the precision of stockpile measurements without shutting down the site. And there's so much more. At GeoWing Academy, the comprehensive courses are designed to cater to a wide range of needs and applications in the conservation, agricultural, and industrial sectors, ensuring that you gain the skills and knowledge to excel in your field. Join GeoWing Academy and take flight into the future of unmanned aerial vehicles and graphics information system software technology.